Yuck, Daddy.
Cut the top off, call it Amber Rose. Just bought a big body, time to paint the tiles. Known to act a donkey on the camel toe. Then take the camel toe and turn it into casserole. 2 Chainz talking on the flex phone. Poof, just like that, the whole check gone. Former Posturepedic, I was slapped down. So many chains on it, look like my neck gone. My girl came through and bought an extra body.
For one moment that it's too soon to fall.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns. I came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick, she from uptown or from down south. Not a loudmouth, we could fuck around. Hit the music, baby, cut it down. Hit the doobie while you do me.